the circle for the first time I have seen this, because most of the time you see plenty of fielders. See, again driven nicely through extra cover. Vinita Pun is out there. So most of the fielders are.
Women's side for Orissa will be really happy today if he is watching this. And of course, nicely played away towards deep square leg. He'll definitely be watching, because he also plays for Orissa Sukra Maji's men's blind, the Orissa side as well.
Look at this shot. Lovely shot for a single towards that square leg region. So 2 more runs be netted.
And also Basanti Hansda, another very, very important player coming in from the Orissa belt. It's been a hit, but when you come to blind cricket, Orissa has also been a very good contributor going out there and contributing too much. That's up in the air, but will fall safe at deep mid wicket. They will just settle down for 1 run.
Yeah, 104 for 3, partnership of the 60-odd runs, but still they couldn't manage to capitalize the strike rates of the batters.
There is Miss Meenakshi Lekhi, the chairperson of the SBI First Ever Women's World Cup for the Blind 2025. She's been there as a big support as a chairperson for. Thank you so much, Miss Meenakshi Lekhi, ma'am. Thank you so much for your support as well for the entire World Cup for all the teams. Yeah, again, that's a single again towards deep across square leg. Yeah, rightly mentioned, during the batting they did struggle, but they got early wickets. They got Aneka Devi Thakur run out, they got Deepika TC run out, but they allowed that partnership to grow, you know, between Karuna Kumari and Phula Soren. When that happened, that should have been actually stopped. That is, I think, taken the game away from Nepal to put on the conclusion lines. That's exactly what has happened.
Good stop, but just a single. 11 overs done, India.
Promoting CAB USA Cricket Association Blind in USA. So that is inclusivity. That is what we are talking about. Everybody coming together. We had Meherin Ali and Mihir Rajiva just 8 runs to get. So that is inclusivity. Have you seen any 2 rival captains at the same time in the commentary box? That too against a team.
Exactly. Good sides, good banter all among these 6 nations. And then another single for Pagoni. And then, yeah, that is what has happened. Almost on the verge of winning this first ever Women's T20 World Cup for the Blinds. And then everyone is gonna cheer for the winning team, because this is an event where everyone has got together to make it a success.
And that's the smile of the captain. Deepika TC says it all. It's just touching distance now, that trophy, that big title of world champions. It's coming in with Basanti Hansda. What a proud moment. What a proud moment if you really speak of, you know, Orissa being that sort of in their mind and heart and soul. And I have also, that's a good shot again towards deep square leg. Will only be 1. They're doing it in singles, very easy, cool and calm. And I've also been to, you know, Asia's biggest World Cups, the Men World Cups, yes, and also now for the Women World Cup. They have done really well. Big batswing to go behind the stumps, wide
boundary away for India.
Can we get a boundary in the finals? Do we go for it? Rajiva is actually praying for it. It still doesn't come. No boundary.
To get boundaries for this finals. She's on strike. Can she get a boundary and finish it off?
Yeah, looks like it. 2 more to go. As they'll have to wait for the next over. 12's gone. Yeah, 3 boundaries for Phula Soren in the innings. 113 for 3. Comes into the attack, the B1 bowlers, because this will be the first B1 bowler coming in, because they have to bowl 8 overs. So 12 overs done, and you can't stop them. Phula Soren hits it hard. Is that what it is? Is that the boundary? That's it. That is what it is. India wins the World Cup, and there they go running. The winning runs coming in from Phula Soren in 2023. They lifted the goal in Itza goal, and here in 2025, the Indian women's blind cricket team has lifted the World Cup. They win this by 7 wickets. They have started to script history for a long time coming, and this is a massive feat here for India. Unbeaten in the entire tournament, Rajiva, and this is the happy side that we are all witnessing for.
Beautiful. Bula Saren gets the winning run for India with a boundary, and she got 44 runs in this final for India to win this game comprehensively with 7.5 overs to spare, winning this game by 7 wickets.
Totally dominated it. Whole entire contingent of India. That is how India got the World Cup. Big shot from Bula Saren, 4th boundary, and she ends it in style. There we go. India lift the World Cup.
Yeah, definitely. Wanted a boundary. We wanted a boundary to finish things up, and she gets it. The Tigress, Baguni, winning runs for India with a boundary, and then India wins again. Nepal, hats off to them. Hats off, really. The only team that couldn't beat India, but they have beaten everyone else. Everyone else in this World Cup, but they couldn't beat India.
Correct. And what a moment now. The Honorable Prime Minister of Sri Lanka will come down here to give the trophy herself to the champions. What a proud moment. Really, that is so nice to be going out there, and these visuals speak the stories. Tears of joy. They have created history in the diamond etched letters on a golden letter. There you go. Deepika TC in tears.